5 minutes is all it takes to change your life. Here's Motivational Minute. The beauty of being present in nature. Today, let's appreciate the beauty of connecting with nature. Whether it's feeling the sun on your face, listening to the birds sing, or watching the clouds drift by. Nature has a calming and grounding effect. Spend some time outdoors today, even for a few moments. By being present in nature, you recharge your spirits, find peace, and feel connected to the world around you. Thank you for listening. I hope you can resonate this thought during the course of your day today. Until next time, stay strong and stay positive.